be here. As you all know that I'm standing before you to tell you about some basic concepts of English. So before starting this video, I want to say sorry to you all guys, because there was some construction work was going on my house. So I was unable to shoot the videos. So I'm really very sorry guys. So without any further delay, let's start the video. So our today topic is articles. Okay. What comes in your mind first when you read this title, articles? Rather asking this question, I should ask, what are the articles in English language? Means, how many articles are there in English language? Do you know? If not, then I'm here to tell you. There are three types of articles. What are those? Those are a, and the. What are those? Those are a, and the. So, talking about these articles, we should know a or an is known as indefinite article. Okay? And the is known as definite article. Alright? Let's understand this use of a and a, that is indefinite article, with an example. Indefinite means which is not definite, means which is not fixed. So what can those items which are not fixed, which is not of are countable in nature? Like, let's take an example of a pen. Okay, a pen. Alright, if I write gel pen, then will this a will be used here also? Will it be like? No, not at all. Because here this adjective gel is used with this word pen. Understand? When I write gel pen, it means it is fixed that this pen is gel. There are many kinds of pen: dot pen, ball pen, gel pen, fountain pen, and etc. So here this adjective is added with this word pen, then the article will be changed here. So here the article will be changed. What will be the article which is used with the gel pen? The. Earlier we have written a pen because pen was not fixed that this pen is of what kind, whether it is gel or ball or fountain or whatever. It's not certain, but here it's certain that this pen is of gel nature. Understand? Now I want to tell you that there are some basic situations where we use a and an. And those situations are, first situation is use a and an with singular countable noun. Understand? Countable means which can be count. Let's take an example, and we will have like Ram has an umbrella. Okay, Ram has an umbrella. Umbrella can be counted. It can be 1, 2, 3 or much more. But we have to specify the counting of this umbrella, and by reading this sentence, Ram has an umbrella, we get to know that umbrella is only one here. Ram is having only one umbrella. So we use an article here with this umbrella. Okay. Now the second situation is profession. When we are talking about various professions, we use a and or an. Understand? We will understand with the help of an example. If we write that he is an MP or MLC or MLA, etc. Whatever profession you want, you can write. Okay, so here it is written that he is an MP, MLC or MLA. MP can be he or she. No, it's not specified the gender of MP or MLC or MLA. But we have to use an with this profession. We can also use a with these professions. But in this situation, what we have to search for? We have to search that in the profession words, the first letter of the profession should not be a vowel. Because if there will be a vowel in the profession, the first letter will be vowel. If the first letter will be vowel, then we will use a here, not an. If the first letter will be vowel of this profession, then we will use a, not use an. But if we will have like these kind of consonants, then we will use an. Okay. Third one is exclamatory sentences. Alright. When we are talking about exclamatory sentences that are not normal sentences, then we will use a or an. Like, we will understand with the help of an example again. Let's take the example that what are pretty girl. Okay, what are pretty girl? मतलब कितनी सुंदर लड़की है. We use a article here. Why? Because this is a singular countable noun and this is a exclamatory sentence. So in these kind of sentences, we will use articles before this singular countable noun, and it should be of exclamation mark. Understand? C. A or an is indefinite. Right, indefinite article. A and an is an indefinite article. This is not fixed. So, A and an will be used with indefinite things like pen, bag, which is not fixed, which is not specified. Understand? And that is definite article, right? This the is used with definite things, with things which are fixed, like this. The is used with universal truths. And where it can be used? It can be used with natural things. And where else it can be used? It can be used with nouns, which specifies the name of person, place, animal, or thing. Right? The can be used with universal truths. Second one is it can be also used with natural things. It can also be used with this nouns, which specifies the name of person, place, animal, or things. So let's take an example of using this the as the universal truth. The sun rises in the east. It's universal truth. It cannot be changed. सूरज हमेशा पूरब से ही उगता है. It cannot be changed at any cost. Right? So, what we have used here with this universal truth? The. This is the example of using the as the universal truth. Now, one more example, taking the with natural thing. Like, if we write sun, if we write earth, if we write newspaper, you can add here Hindu newspaper. Then which article will be used in these three situations? Can you understand? Can you imagine what article will be used with these three of them? A sun, it's not like and sun. It's also not true. It sounds very bad, no? The sun. It is correct. So we will use the sun. Then earth. What will be used with the earth? A earth, not an earth, not the earth. Then with the Hindu newspaper, if we write this newspaper only, then it's not definite. It doesn't specify the name of this newspaper. Then we can write a newspaper, or like a magazine, whatever. But if we added this adjective to this newspaper, we will get Hindu newspaper. Means the noun because it specifies the name of the thing. So we will write the Hindu newspaper. Our Hindu newspaper is not like good. It doesn't sound good, no? And Hindu newspaper is also not correct. But if we write the Hindu newspaper, you can feel that it sounds very well. It sounds correct. So the next thing which we are going to take is a, and the are articles which can be used with various things. So we will use according to the situation which are given. Understand? So guys, I hope you all are aware with these articles and you have all understood whatever I have teach you, whatever I have told you just now. Okay, so you can use it wherever you want to use, wherever you find that there is a noun, there is universal truth, there is a particular natural thing, or there is some man-made or artificial things. You can use with this the article. And if you are talking about the countable things, the professions and much more, then you will use a and an. Okay, so you all got it. I hope you all have understood whatever I have told you just now. So you can use it with any situations where the natural things, the universal truths, the nouns, there we will use the, and with countable things, with the professions and much more, we will use this a and an. So guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Keep supporting me like this only. I will be highly obliged to you, and thank you very much because of this cooperation which you all are having with me. And yes, thank you so much. Take care and bye bye.